Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TD130 PS290 Trend front-wheel drive, L1 no VAT needs engine repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 61,118. MOT, the 8th of April 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,750 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.